You're really preparing for those roles, aren't you?
I'm an Asian prostitute.
What? Ew. I'm gonna laugh so hard when my mom walks in. Oh God.
Oh, no, I know what to do.
Okay. You look like someone on Ghost Hunters right now because your eyes are shiny. Oh God. Oh. Haley, get out of the closet. Haley. Get out the closet.
It was supposed to be my clothing.
Oh, that's very good. God. So we're not done.
Okay, we are not done with this one.
Oh. That's good. That's good. Okay. You look so creepy.
I think I have a hemorrhoid in my back.
Oh God. It's probably from all those rolls.
I think I just ripped my earring out of my cartilage hole.
Oh. God. Right back where we started. Let's see. Oh. Back in the closet.
A child born in a dark place.
Oh.
He emerges. And then he closes his back. He's scared of the children.
God.
Nobody has room to grow. He sprouts. And then he has a dream of what it could be.
Is this a dance? Oh, you're too close. I can't get you on camera. I'm waiting to hear his dream.
Oh,
No.
his dream is to flirt with the butterfly.
Oh my God.
This dream is called the caterpillar turning into
Oh God. Back in the. Okay.
and into his cocoon once again.